It looks like normal NASCAR, doesn't it? Well, if you haven't been paying attention and you don't notice all the aero and the mirrors on that car, that is not just a straight up normal NASCAR or stock car, whatever you want to call it. This is a stock car that's running at Le Mans, the 24-hour in its own class. The Garage 56 is kind of the experimental class, I guess you want to say it. And you can just tell from this photo right here how different it looks from absolutely everything. Obviously, you have all the hypercars in front, and then all of the GTE or like souped up sports cars in the back. But this thing is setting people on fire. And there's a clip that you're going to hear or listen to right here that this thing sounds absolutely incredible. Yeah, that's a sound for the ages. And this is a full-on stock car, obviously with a bunch more aero and some other little bits added and changed, whatever. But it is like 5 seconds a lap faster than any of the GTE cars, at least in practice and everything. And it's not even the car that's fast, or not even just the car that's fast, but also the pit crew won, I think it was against 16 other pits, and they're the only ones doing this with a manual jack, and they won the pit contest, whatever you want to call it. You're going to watch that right here. Pretty good on those guys. But I don't know how this kind of works out in the actual race because it is an experimental car, and I think it's in its own class. I don't think there's anybody actually competing with it, but it is pretty cool to see that something like this can work on, a road course left right with headlights in the dark and everything else. The only real question is it going to be able to last for the full 24 hours? Because yes, these things do run for a whole weekend, but it's only for like what, 3 or 4 hours at a time. Running the whole night, will the brakes hold up? Will the engine hold up? All that kind of stuff. We'll have to see. But it is incredible to see something like this with that much power and tuning now with aero and everything. But in the comments below, you tell me, have you been watching Le Mans? Are you paying attention to it? Is it something you don't care about? Is it cool because it's NASCAR and you're interested in that? Or whatever it is, just comment down below. And while you're there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.